This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jason Olson. Welcome to this beautifully maintained lakefront home located on a quiet cul-de-sac in the gated community of Reflection Lakes. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers a spacious and open floor plan, perfect for comfortable living and entertaining. Enjoy stunning lake views from your private backyard retreat, ideal for outdoor dining, relaxing, or entertaining guests in true Florida style. Bright, open layout with high ceilings. And split bedroom design for added privacy. Spacious primary suite with lake views with ensuite bath featuring dual vanities, soaking tub, and walk-in shower. 2-car garage with ample storage. Gated community with low HOA fees. Resort-style amenities, clubhouse, pool, fitness center, with bocce ball courts. Plus a very active social calendar. Located just minutes to beaches, shopping, dining, and everything Southwest Florida has to offer. Don't miss this opportunity to own a lakefront home in one of the area's most desirable communities. For more information, review the details below or contact Jason Olson at 239-659-2400.